What's the best way to cool the key components in a PC?
Hi, I'm Paul, this is Diane, and we are the PC Zombies. Have you ever wondered why some PCs are air-cooled and others are water-cooled?
And why would you pick a custom wire loop over a all-in-one cooler?
All right, well, today I will teach you, and Diane,
And me.
how to cool a PC.
All right, let's get started.
All right.
What's the difference between cooling with air or cooling with water?
Okay, to answer that, I'm going to give you real-world examples, okay?
All right.
First of all, suppose it's 120 degrees Fahrenheit outside. That's also 50 Celsius for those of you from Europe, or the rest of the world. America
Yes.
has a mixed up system.
It does.
For us, you know, on a hot day, it could get 105, maybe 110. We've seen that before.
Right.
How long do you think you could go outside if it's 120, just a few degrees more?
Probably 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm wimpy.
I won't touch it. Okay. So now suppose I said we turn on the shower and we go full hot, no cold. So like when you wash your hands, if you just turn on all hot, how long do you think you could put your hand under there or take that shower?
A millisecond.
A millisecond. She is wimpy. Okay, well, no, I think that you're right. I think I would go, ow, and I'd immediately have to put cold water on it to recover, right? Your water heater is set to 120 degrees.
Oh.
That's why I picked that number for outside. So outside in the air in a hot day is easy to stand in for 5 minutes or whatever.
Right.
But you can't with water touch it. And the reason is that water transfers temperature very well. It can conduct the heat or the cool. So let's talk about cold for a second, all right?
All right.
Suppose we have 2 ice cubes and we put one in front of a fan inside the room and the other one in a glass of water that's been sitting there so it's at room temperature. Which one do you think will melt faster?
The one in the water.
It's exactly right. The one in the water will always melt faster because water will absorb that cold just as fast as it can absorb heat.
Okay.
So that's a starter. So now we know water is more efficient at cooling than heat.
Oh, that's
now
interesting.
let's talk about PCs.
All right. That's interesting. I like that.